The Election Commission announced schedule for the Haryana Assembly elections. Haryana Assembly polls will be held in a single phase on the 1st of October and the counting of the votes will take place on the 4th of October. With the announcement of the Haryana election dates, future of the INDI bloc quickly became a topic of discussion. Amid this, Congress has affirmed its intention to go alone in the upcoming Haryana polls, asserting that it does not require any support. Additionally, Congress has highlighted the strong response they are receiving as a clear indication that voters are poised to change the state government. Listen in.
हो गए, हम तैयार हैं और हरियाणा की जनता भी तैयार है। उसका नमूना अपने लोकसभा में देखा और जिस तरह से आनन फानन में ये सरकार फैसले ले रही है, हरियाणा सरकार, साफ नजर आ रहा है कि इन्होंने हार मानी हुई है। मुझे लगता है कि हमें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है और कांग्रेस अपने आप में सक्षम है और अपने आप लड़कर भी हम प्रचंड बहुमत से सरकार बनाएंगे। लोगों का विश्वास हमने जीता है। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने
अक्टूबर 4 बीजेपी हरियाणा से बाहर होगी, बीजेपी हरियाणा से बाहर, क्योंकि जहाँ पे जो कार्यक्रम किए हैं, जो कार्यक्रम चले हैं, जहाँ पे मुझे जैसे 22 के 22 जिलों में गए और भी कार्यक्रम चल रहे हैं हमारे हरियाणा मांगे साहब, पहले दूसरे कार्यक्रम चले, जो मिल रहा है सहयोग, जिस प्रकार से जोश में लोग आ रहे हैं, जोश से मिल रहे हैं, समर्थन जो मिल रहा है लोगों का, उसके आधार पर मैं कह सकता हूँ अपना मेरा राजनीतिक चुनाव लड़े हैं। 36 बिरादरी ने फैसला कर लिया है कि आने वाली सरकार कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार है।
Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party revealed that the Haryana AAP unit conducted a preparatory meeting. The party plans to form alliances with the public and is committed to competing vigorously across all the 90 assembly seats.
आम आदमी पार्टी पूरी ताकत के साथ 90 विधानसभाओं पे तैयारी कर रही है, हर बूथ पे तैयारी कर रही है और 90 के 90 विधानसभाओं से जनता से गठबंधन करके पूरी ताकत के साथ चुनाव को लड़ेगी।
BJP has asserted its preparedness for the electoral contest. The party emphasized that its government has been operating in mission mode for the past decade and intends to maintain this momentum. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP is confident of securing a decisive mandate to form the government in Haryana. Listen in.
हमारी पूर्ण तैयारी है। हमारी सरकार मिशन मोड के अंदर लगातार पिछले 10 वर्षों से काम कर रही थी और अब भी लगातार आने वाले समय के अंदर आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हम हरियाणा के अंदर बड़े मैंडेट के साथ सरकार बनाएंगे।
Now let's take a look at what's happening in JJP. Meanwhile, it appears that all's not well in JJP camp either ahead of the upcoming Haryana polls. JJP MLAs Ram Karan Kala, Ishwar Singh and Devendra Babli have resigned from the party. This comes just a day after another MLA, Anup Dhanak, resigned from the JJP. We have Amandeep joining us live on the broadcast with more. Amandeep, this definitely is a setback for the JJP.
Well, absolutely, Swati. A very embarrassing situation for the JJP party, and even when they have announced to contest all 90 seats after getting separate from BJP, their own MLAs, they are resigning just a day after the election schedule has been announced by the Election Commission. 4 sitting MLAs, Devendra Babli, Ishwar Singh, Ram Karan Kala and Anup Dhanak, they all have resigned from the party. And in fact, Swati, before this, 2 MLAs who were sharing the stage with BJP, they have been, JJP has been written for the disqualification from the assembly. That means total 6 MLAs out of 10 are not with JJP party, and in fact more than 50% MLAs if not with the party. That means a message is not very much good for the JJP, who has already decided to contest all 90 seats in the state of Haryana for assembly. And Dushyant Chautala leadership has been under the question mark that he was not able to intact his own MLAs. Out of them, some of them were ministers during the alliance government. And in fact, now the contest is very interesting. Swati, every day, when just a day after the election schedule announced in the state of Haryana, and in fact, these certain kind of interesting developments and coming up, that is a clear-cut indication that Haryana election is going to be very interesting. On the other side, Congress party is claiming to contest alone. Samajwadi party is trying to enter into the Haryana with the alliance of Congress party and demanding the Yadav belt seats in the state of Haryana. And in exchange, they are offering the seats to the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh. And even Aam Aadmi party has already decided to contest all 90 seats. And what about the India alliance?
Right.
And BJP, what about the post-poll or pre-poll alliances? Either BJP is going to make their government alone, or they will be take any kind of assistance from again GJP or somebody else. Just because JJP was the kingmaker in 2019 with having 10 MLAs. But now it seems that now the JJP is in shambles and their political situation has been declining. Yes.
Absolutely. Amandeep, keep tracking all those developments. And clearly, you know, these equations will definitely change as the elections near. And we will keep tracking those. For the moment, a quick break.